Hi, welcome to Rocket Health Tips. In today's video, we will talk about 6 natural beard growth oil for men. Having beards has become an important look for men today. In recent years, it has become the go-to look for men that want to make a strong impression or bolster their fashion statement. While some have an abundance of facial hair, sadly, some are not so lucky. And that's why we've come up with natural ways to grow your beard faster. Please note that watch the entire video to get full details about 6 natural beard growth oil for men. Also, make sure that you subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest health tips and videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1 we have coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the natural ways and effective ways you can grow your beard faster. You can combine coconut oil with rosemary oil and apply the mixture to the face with the help of a cotton ball. Leave for 15 minutes and rinse with cold water. Do this thrice a week for best results. If you can't get a rosemary oil, you can use only coconut oil and massage well for a few minutes. At number 2 we have Amala oil. Amala oil is a natural remedy to increase facial hair growth. Amala, also known as the Indian gooseberry, is very effective in stimulating the growth of facial hair. You can use it alone or combine it with mustard leaves. Massage your skin with amala oil and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse your face with cold water and then clean it. At number 3 we have eucalyptus oil. According to researchers, eucalyptus can be used to help in boosting facial hair growth. Combine eucalyptus oil with either olive oil or sesame oil. Mix well and massage it onto the facial skin. Leave it on for at least 20 minutes before rinsing with cold water. At number 4 we have castor oil. Castor oil is among the best natural remedies for stimulating beard growth. It can also protect the face and hair from further damage. Castor oil hydrates and nourishes the hair from the root. It also thickens the hair strands. Apply a few drops of castor oil on your beard and rub evenly. Leave it on for the night, as long as you use some old pillowcases. The oil can stain. At number 5 we have onion oil. Onion is another natural way to grow your beard faster. It contains a lot of sulfur which helps in increasing the blood circulation of the skin, which leads to increased hair growth of beard. The juice helps to strengthen hair and prevents breakage and thinning of the hair. Make a mixture of honey and onion juice. Mix together and consume it orally every day. You may also apply this mixture on your beard and massage for 15 minutes every day. At number 6 we have aloe vera. It is a wonderful plant that can be used to grow your beards faster. It is antibiotic and antifungal in nature, stimulates facial growth and makes your beard thick and long. To use aloe vera, use its gel and apply it on the face and neck area. Keep it for 20 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water. Repeat this remedy daily to grow facial hair faster. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these health tips, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.